Howdy, y'all. Welcome to Airgun Wadcutter Wednesday number 12. All right, so today we have Olympia Light, perfect quality. They're 1.73 grains, made in Poland. I like saying Poland. Reminds me of my Polak friends that I know. Alright, they are distributed by Predator International, which is the same people that import JSB. So, hopefully they're good. We're going to find out. They're good looking pellets. I say they are. I mean, I can't really see much wrong with them here. I don't remember what my bench review actually was of it, but they look good. So let's do the bench review and I'll get the cameras rolling. Okay, we got another brand I've never seen. Olympia Match Light, made in Poland. And it says, where's it at? Right here. Made in Poland. Distributed by Predator International, which makes, they're the same people that import JSB and the Predator pellets. So let's see. Well, I mean, did I read the back of it? Yeah. 7.33. All right. Got a foam pad on it. That's a good thing. It's a thin one, but it's there. Yeah, that's a bad skirt right there. That's not good. Let's try another one. That's not good either. Or are we gonna have to cherry pick these to get some good ones? I hope not. That is not no Olympia quality pellets, that's for sure. Let me take them up here where I can see them myself. Wow. I really don't see a good one. Nope, that's not any good either. Oh shit, no. That's just bad. That's bad. For the price I paid for these ain't no good. We'll shoot them. See how they shoot, but that's no bueno. All right, let's go try to shoot them. Okay, Olympia pellets. We are getting a little bit of a breeze right now. Oh, it's what, 7, 8 o'clock? A little low. Oh, now I'm getting a really good breeze here. The breeze I'm getting is pushing them right where they should be too. I'm getting it from the back. Oh, come on. Well, grouping just a little low. That's a little higher. Well, that went in the same hole as one of the others. Wow. No breeze right now. There's no reason for that. And we got plenty of air, so now I'm looking at it, these skirts aren't very good. These are the ones that had the bad skirts on it. Now I remember them in my reviews. Yeah, that's got a bad skirt on it. Yeah. Sorry, but you know, like I said in one of my previous videos, I'm not going to cherry pick them. They're not dinged. You know, ding is one thing because that's just been mishandled wrong and got dinged up. These skirts on these things are not very good. Oh yeah. That one had a really bad skirt on it. So, like I said, I'm not going to cherry pick them. No way, no. Oh, wow. Take another look here. These things, yeah, yeah, these are bad pellets. Not very good. I do the bench reviews on these things when I get them in. That way at least I'll have that part done. I can do that in the evenings in the house. So I can't always remember them, what's going on when I actually come out here to shoot them. But the Olympia, very disappointing for Predator International. All right, but that's what we're there to do, testing them. That's going to be it. I can't say much more about them. You see the video, see the target. That's it. Thanks for watching.